Ever feel like your kitchen is stuck in the past? Struggling with repetitive tasks or uninspired meals? Well, get ready to ditch the frustration because we're about to reveal 15 revolutionary kitchen gadgets that will transform your home into a modern masterpiece of meal prep. So, get ready to be amazed. Number 1. Spiralizer. This spiralizer boasts the strongest construction on the market, guaranteed 30–35% sturdier than competitors. It tackles tough root vegetables with ease, thanks to its 420 high-carbon cutlery-grade stainless steel blades and reinforced ABS body. Conquer dietary restrictions with endless recipe possibilities, including a free recipe ebook, perfect for keto, paleo, vegan, and gluten-free lifestyles. Seen on major TV networks and backed by thousands of raving fans, the Spiralizer is the perfect gift for health-conscious loved ones. Number 2. Sous Vide Precision Cooker. This sous vide appliance circulates water at precise temperatures, 0 to 92 degrees Celsius, to deliver restaurant-quality results for vegetables, meat, and more. No more dry edges or undercooked centers, just perfectly moist and tender food every single time. The Innova is easy to use. Just attach it to any pot, add water and your ingredients in a sealed bag, and let it work its magic. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity and the free Innova app, you can control and monitor your cooking from anywhere, freeing you from the kitchen. With over 1,000 recipes included, even beginners can create impressive meals, and cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts. Number 3. Milk Frother. Experience the revolution in home coffee making with the Milk Frother, a modern kitchen gadget designed to elevate your daily brew to new heights. With its powerful 13,000 RPM motor and 25 spiral rings, this frother effortlessly transforms ordinary milk into creamy, velvety foam in mere seconds, allowing you to indulge in café-quality drinks from the comfort of your kitchen. Whether it's a piping hot latte to kickstart your morning or a refreshing iced matcha for a midday pick-me-up, this versatile tool ensures a simple and delightful coffee-making experience with its ergonomic grip and easy-to-use on-off button. Number 4. Automatic Ice Cream Maker. This multifunctional marvel boasts a built-in 1.7-liter electric kettle, perfect for whipping up hot beverages like tea, cocoa, and instant soups. The kettle's cool touch handle and automatic shutoff features ensure safety and convenience, while the powerful 1500-watt heating element heats water rapidly. Plus, its compact size, 8.7 by 6.2 by 9.4 inches, makes it a great fit for modern kitchens. But that's not all. This versatile appliance lets you create delicious homemade ice cream, becoming a one-stop shop for all your hot and cold beverage and dessert cravings. Number 5. Stainless Steel Mandolin Slicer. This revolutionary kitchen gadget boasts 5 interchangeable blades, offering 49 slicing variations from 1 mm thin to 7 mm thick for ultimate precision. Slice fruits, veggies, and cheese like a pro with the safety of a cut-resistant glove and secure hold of a non-slip base. The built-in catching tray keeps your countertops mess-free and doubles as storage for the blades, while the dishwasher-safe design ensures effortless cleanup. This 7-in-1 wonder is a must-have for modern homes, combining elegance, safety, and superior functionality for all your chopping needs. Number 6. KitchenAid Fruit and Vegetable Spiralizer. This innovative attachment, powered by your existing KitchenAid stand mixer, sold separately, transforms your favorite fruits and vegetables into creative ribbons, slices, and more. 5 interchangeable blades offer versatility, allowing you to create medium and fine spirals, thick and thin slices, and even peel produce with ease. The durable metal construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the secure fit onto your stand mixer provides stability and effortless operation. For convenient storage, all the blades and attachments nestle neatly inside a dedicated case, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe blades and a wipe-clean body. Number 7. Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus. The Instant Pot Duo Evo Plus is the next generation of the popular Instant Pot Duo series, boasting over 20 improvements. This versatile kitchen appliance is the fastest in its class, perfect for both new and experienced cooks. It features a powerful 1200W heating element for quicker preheating and innovative quick-cool technology to shorten pressure release time. With 48 customizable presets and settings like sous vide and bake, you can create delicious meals, from hearty soups to gourmet desserts. The dishwasher-safe 304 stainless steel inner pot with improved non-slip handles can even be used on the stovetop for added convenience. Number 8. NutriBullet Pro. This compact but powerful 900 watts blender makes healthy living easy. Simply push, twist, and blend your way to a nutritious lifestyle with whole foods like nuts, seeds, and kale. In under a minute, you can turn fruits, vegetables, and even superfoods into smooth, delicious drinks that fit perfectly into your busy schedule. Cleaning is a breeze too, with dishwasher-safe cups and blades that detach easily. With the NutriBullet Pro, you get more than just a blender. You get a system designed to extract the most nutrients from your food, making healthy eating convenient and delicious. Number 9. Smart Trash Can. This smart trash can is a revolutionary kitchen gadget for modern homes. It boasts a touchless lid with 3 opening modes: automatic infrared sensor opening in 0.3 seconds, hands-free knee or kick induction, and even knock induction. The upgraded smart chip ensures smooth operation and low power consumption, with multiple lid functions like automatic closing, stay open mode, and a one-key always open option. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts over 2 months on a single charge, and the automatic packaging function with a drawstring eliminates the need for messy bag changes. Number 10. Food Vacuum Sealer. The Food Vacuum Sealer is a revolutionary kitchen gadget that keeps food fresher for longer. Removing the air and creating a tight seal extends the life of your food in the freezer by up to 5 times, and in the fridge or pantry by up to 2 times. This handy device features automatic bag detection and sealing for a quick and easy 2-step process. The versatile handheld sealer also works with food-saver zipper bags, canisters, and containers, and can even marinate food in minutes. Number 11. Bread Maker. This countertop marvel boasts Cuisinart-level technology, ensuring superior crust, color, and texture for every loaf. Choose from 12 pre-programmed settings for effortless baking, and customize your bread with 3 crust shade options: light, medium, or dark. This space-saving appliance features a vertical baking pan that fits perfectly on your counter, and the removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleaning a breeze. Plus, a viewing window and interior light allow you to monitor your bread's progress throughout the baking cycle for perfect results every time. Number 12. Ninja Foodie 5-in-1 Indoor Grill with 4-quart Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodie 5-in-1 Indoor Grill with 4-quart Air Fryer does it all: grilling, air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. Do you need a pressure cooker too? Consider the Ninja Foodie Deluxe XL, its pressure cooker counterpart that also airs crisps. Both foodie options boast impressive capacities: the indoor grill's air fryer basket holding up to 4 quarts, and the Deluxe XL's pot and basket accommodating family-sized meals. Plus, their non-stick dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze. Number 13. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus Robot Vacuum. Say goodbye to daily vacuuming with the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus 7550, a revolutionary robot vacuum designed for modern homes. This Wi-Fi connected marvel features smart mapping technology to navigate your floors efficiently, while its automatic dirt disposal system empties itself for up to 60 days, freeing you from ever touching a dustbin again. Compatible with Alexa for voice control, the i7 Plus tackles pet hair, carpets, and hard floors with ease, making it the ultimate cleaning companion for busy households. Number 14. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. This versatile oven airs fries, roasts, dehydrates, and boasts 13 pre-programmed settings for foolproof cooking. Element IQ technology with smart algorithms and 6 quartz elements ensures perfectly even and crispy results, while super convection cuts cooking time by 30%. With a spacious interior that fits a 14-pound turkey or a Dutch oven, this air fryer eliminates the need for multiple appliances, offering everything from air-fried favorites to slow-cooked stews, all illuminated by a convenient interior light. Number 15. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner makes drying lettuce a breeze. Its patented pump mechanism spins greens dry with just one hand, and a brake button stops the rotation for easy unloading. The soft, non-slip knob locks for storage, while the wide, non-slip base keeps the bowl steady on your counter. The elegant, clear bowl doubles as a serving dish, and the basket can be used as a separate colander. For easy storage, the clear, flat lid allows for stacking and disassembles for thorough cleaning. All parts are top-rack dishwasher safe and BPA-free, making this salad spinner a convenient and healthy addition to any kitchen. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button for more awesome kitchen content.